I want to go over a couple things with Zoom, specifically how to just record a meeting to the cloud quickly, and then where those show up. And also a quick video on, or as part of this video, one setting that I think would be important. I want to make sure we test out and check out. But number one, you might be able to, well, you can't see here until I click this. This is actually this Zoom, and I got to this Zoom US is the app that was installed on my machine, right? So here's my Mac, and this pops up, software application. But this is logged under my personal account, and I really don't want that. I'm going to try to switch account here and sign with Google, and it still keeps signing me in, right? So how am I going to do this? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Probably can't do that. Let's see, it keeps defaulting back to my, here we go. Now this finally came up when I actually signed out, right? And now I can click on my school account, open Zoom, start a new meeting, start my video. Hey now, there we go. And now when I hit record, I have an option, record to the cloud, record on this computer. I'm going to record to the cloud real fast, a couple things, hopefully you can see them. Mute and unmute your audio. You have additional audio settings if you can't hear yourself. This is where you're going to want to start looking. I know when I plugged in my microphone, that actually also wanted to treat it as speakers. So just your built-in stuff, and when you plug in anything, you should see some other things pop up here. Same thing for your video. You got some cool video settings. One, you can enable HD, so your video is HD, and then you can also touch up my appearance. So there we go. Stuff like that. Kind of cool. We also have the option of choosing a virtual background, and this works better with a green screen, but right, kind of cool if you don't want people to see the mess that you're in. Invite people here. Sweet. You can do that with email or copying the URL. Manage participants. This shows up people who are in the meeting. You can see when they raise their hand, do stuff like that. As part of that, and you can't see the link here, but up in the upper right corner would be like the different views, gallery view, other things like that. Share screen, this will be something we're going to want to do because I'm going to want to show you some of the Zoom, Zoom, here we go, stuff. So I'm going to go to zoom.us. Oops, we're going to have to stop this recording first, but actually, nope, I can probably go back to where I was. Yeah. So when you log in, you'll get to like this profile screen here, and then over on the left margin, you can navigate and select the settings. The setting that you're going to want to potentially probably change, and I haven't tested this yet to know for sure. Let's go down to, why is browser not in here? Oh, it's in the basics. In meeting basics section, I think it's, let's see here. Where did the browser stuff go? Browser stuff go. Give me a second, folks. I know it's here. I just saw, oh, yep, it's in advanced. Sorry. In meeting advanced. Show a join link. Show a join from your browser link. This is something that has to be turned on. You have to turn this on. It's not on by default. So I haven't tested this yet, but we'll see what happens. Okay. Believe then the learner doesn't have to download the app, but we'll see. So anyway, I'm going to pop out of share here. Actually stop share. Here we are again. We do have the chat feature that pops up. And then let me go ahead. Oh, breakout rooms. This is important. Put the number of participants you want in each room. You can actually make it manual or automatic. Create the rooms. Go visit rooms. Call them all back. But let's stop this recording. All right, you'll get an email notification when the cloud recording is ready. So let's just go ahead and I'll share the screen. Actually, I don't have to share the screen, do I? I can actually just go to the browser. Yeah, what's up?
Want a warm cookie?
Yeah, I'll have a warm cookie, but you got to bring me, I need a cup of milk.
Of course.
Yeah, awesome. All right, here, folks. My lovely sustaining force, my Jackie. Here we go. Where were we? Okay. So in your account here, I can go ahead and in my recordings, this is my personal recording. See how long this actually takes. My recordings here. Chocolate chip cookie. It's processing. See what happens. You may want to fast forward this. Because I'm not cutting it out. There's no time to edit. You're awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Don't chew with your mouth full on. Or with your mouth. Don't talk with your mouth full.
So what else can I do while we wait? Let's see this in real time here if we can. Can't remember. You know what I'll do? I'll just throw some screenshots together and probably have to do this. I mean, we're going to do this again anyway. But this is where you're going to find them. And then over here where it says processing recording, that's where you click on that. You've got some features you can add in like password sharing, and it'll even give you like the body for an email to send out. Now, we are limited with what we can store here. You aren't going to be able to record the moon. And we only got 1 gigabyte of storage. So you can download from here to your local computer if you feel comfortable with that. Or let me and the IT know, and we can probably help with getting this stuff taken care of, distributed for you. But we'll give it one last chance to see if it actually pops up. Nope, still processing, so we'll share those screenshots out when that happens.